Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have another happy mail to share with you all, and look at these beautiful flamingos on this envelope. So adorable. This is coming from our good friend, our cousin Pia, and she is Craftmazing on YouTube, and she is Pia Pie Art on Instagram. Now, hun, I know you just contacted me. I was most likely send you a message that I got it. OMG, girly. OMG. What did you send me? You didn't have to send me anything. Guys, she is having her birthday challenge giveaway, which I will be working on for mine and for her giveaway. I'm sorry. And yeah, I'm definitely going to participate in hers. So look at what she sent. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. What? Oh my goodness. Let me find a card. This is so gorgeous. Let's see if this is the card. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Papyrus. Ooh. Look at the beautiful clouds. Sunshiny yellow. So super pretty. It says, "Dear Eileen, I hope you like the MDC I made for you. I sent some extras, just a few, from Daiso. Oh my goodness. Thank you for being awesome. Love, Pia." Pia, you are awesome, my friend. Oh my goodness. You are too amazing. Look at the cupcake. Oh, I saw her haul this too. It's so adorable and so squishy. I love squishies. Look at that. So cute. Oh my goodness. Pia, thank you. Look, she sent us a little canvas on an easel. That is so cool. Let's see if I can open. Can I open this? Is it open? Oh, it opens on the top. Duh. Oh, she got this one from Daiso. Look at that. Oh, nice. And you can adjust it. There's a little wing nut here. So you could put your stand, and then whatever you put on here, you can paint it like this, paint it like this. But isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh, Pia. I'm gonna put your little card on here because it's so cute. Too cute. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to ignore it, but you know, it's kind of hard to. This is so adorable. These little things are Ziploc baggies. I never seen this. This is a whale shark. Oh my god. Fun sea creatures, or no, fun sea life, and it says zipper bags, and it's a whale shark. Isn't it cute? Oh, Pia, thank you. This is so cool. Oh my goodness, my nieces and nephews are gonna love these like I love these. Oh my goodness. I gotta find like the perfect little thing to go in there. So cute. And then she also included Coffee Lovers espresso beans. Oh my god, these are from Trader Joe's. Oh my god, I'm gonna eat this for myself. Chocolate covered espresso beans. Oh my goodness. Oh, but the pièce de résistance is the beautiful memory decks card that she created. And look at, she's got some sequins in here. Look at these itty bitty hearts and these little teeny tiny flowers. And then these butterflies. I've never seen these butterfly sequins. Oh my goodness, Pia. So cute. Let me open this. Whoops, I don't want to show anything. Let me make sure I don't show anything. Wow. So cute, guys. Oh, and she has a charm on there. Look. she put the chipboard charm with the little beads. Oh my gosh, look at that cute little flower right there. And she's got it on a star eyelet. Girl, where'd you get that? That's so cute. And she's got enamel dots here. And look at the pen and a little notebook. What? This is so cute. Creativity takes courage. Yes, it does. And she's got a little cup here, coffee cup. Oh my gosh, the ittiest bittiest little chipboard sticker with the puffy sticker on top. Oh my goodness. Is this the Go Your Way Paige Evans collection? And I love your little dies. This little one right here, the blue, and then the pink one, the scallop pink one. And she's got a chipboard heart, and she's got the mini flowers. Oh my gosh, so many details on there. And look, itty bitty heart sequins right there. Oh my gosh, I love it. And here's her info on this pretty little paper. Oh my gosh, look at the tiniest little sequins just hanging on for dear life. It's hanging on there. Okay, so it just has her name, Pia Bernardino. Yes. And her birthday is October 12th. She loves pink and purple and teal. Yes! Her YouTube is Craftmazing, and her Instagram is Pia Pie Art. Yes, Pia, yes! Super cute, girly. I love your Memorydex card, and thank you so much for sending it to me and joining in on the fun. But oh my gosh, you guys, I'm trying to catch all these little sequins because I want it. I don't want to lose one bit of these sequins because they're so pretty. There we go. In you go. But thank you so much. Look at that. Look at how fun that is in there. Oh my god. I don't know where you got your sequin mix, but it's super pretty. Look at the stars in there. Oh my gosh, you guys, thank you. I'm sorry I got interrupted, but here is our beautiful Memorydex from Miss Pia, who is Craftmazing here on YouTube and Pia Pie Art on Instagram. Please guys, go check her out, like, subscribe, show her some crafty love, and I will see you all on the next video. Thank you all for watching. I'll leave all her links in the description box below, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.